Welcome to another video of Artificial Weekly. In this video, we show skin made up of human cells for use to make robots even more realistic, and we explain why the majority of robots are female. The immense growth of artificial intelligence is unstoppable. Watch this video all the way to the end and get up to date on recent developments. Let's dive in. Robotics and artificial intelligence advancements have made it possible to build machines that can perform tasks incredibly quickly and accurately. Future advancements in AI and machine learning expand robotics' potential applications. Robots now have living skin that resembles human skin in terms of being water-repellent, self-healing, and having a realistic, fleshy appearance. According to BGR, Japanese researchers developed a living skin equivalent that functions similarly to human skin using human skin cells. The lab-created skin was discovered to repel water and mend itself when harmed with minor wounds and abrasions, much like live organisms. It also successfully replicated the look and feel of real human skin. Have you ever thought about why the majority of robots are female? If you want to know the secret, do subscribe to our channel. The female gendering of AI objects helps to humanize them because it is believed that women are softer and more likely to experience emotions than men. Although warmth and experience, but not skill, are believed to be essential characteristics of a full human, machines lack these traits. The capabilities of robots have been greatly enhanced by the incorporation of machine learning and AI systems. They are now more clever and autonomous since they can pick up new skills and adapt to new circumstances. Now it's time to tour around the 10 recent developments in the robotics industry. Number 1. Cobots, or collaborative robots, differ from traditional industrial robots in that they have cutting-edge sensors and algorithms that assure safe behavior around people. For the most part, they take the form of end-of-arm tooling to automate assembly activities like part welding and screw drilling. These robots can move hazardous commodities like metals, polymers, and other heavy materials without endangering human workers. Cobot integration also requires less production downtime because they supplement already running production lines to help workers. Number 2. Healthcare. The healthcare sector has witnessed a tremendous expansion of the robotics industry. In operations today, robots are used as both primary doctors and assistants. They are able to carry out intricate surgery with more accuracy than human hands. Many hospitals and medical facilities are already adopting robots to give their patients greater treatment. Healthcare professionals can communicate with patients remotely thanks to telepresence robots, especially in circumstances where physical presence is difficult or impossible. These robots, which feature a screen, camera, and microphone, allow medical personnel to hold remote video conferences with patients, keep tabs on their health, and offer advice and direction. Number 3. Drones, commonly referred to as unmanned aerial vehicles, have become an integral part of our daily lives. They've been put to work in industries like agriculture and search and rescue. Researchers have been able to test cutting-edge innovations, including wireless power transfer, which has the potential to transform communication technology because of their improved capabilities. Number 4. Automation of manufacturing process. One of the most important advancements in the robotics industry is the automation of production operations. Robotics has improved production and efficiency in factories and manufacturing facilities. This not only shortens the manufacturing process, but also improves the product's quality. Palletizing, sorting, and other material handling tasks that involve loading and unloading objects are excellent for robots to perform. They can work continuously, minimizing the need for physical labor and lowering the danger of accidents brought on by hard lifting or repeated action. Number 5. Soft robotics. A revolutionary idea in the robotics sector are soft robots. Soft robots are created to emulate the mechanics and structures present in natural animals, as opposed to conventional, rigid robots. They could be utilized in a variety of settings, including industrial automation or surgical equipment. The goal of soft robotics is to create robots that can interact with their environment in a more natural and adaptable way. Number 6. Exoskeletons. Wearable robots that improve human physical capabilities are called robotic exoskeletons. These tools are intended to help people with physical limitations or to improve productivity among workers in fields including manufacturing, construction, and the armed forces. On construction sites, robots are used more frequently to carry out operations like bricklaying, welding, and concrete pouring. These robots can lessen labor-intensive jobs while increasing construction speed, precision, and safety. Number 7. Cybersecurity. Robotics are prime targets for cyber attacks due to the IoT's integration and the increased demand for connectivity. In addition, safeguarding robotic solutions against unauthorized access is necessary due to the deployment of robotics in the defense, manufacturing, healthcare, and space industries. To prevent data breaches and asset outages, robot cybersecurity solutions secure endpoints and connection stacks. Number 8. AGVs. Materials are typically transported by AGVs, also known as self-guided vehicles, in warehouses, distribution centers, and production facilities. Their movement is controlled by a combination of software and sensor-based navigation systems that follow a predetermined path. Forklift AGVs move pallets without human assistance, whereas automated guided carts convey a variety of light to heavy items. These robots reduce operational expenses and time. Number 9. Industrial automation. In manufacturing environments, workers are exposed to risky scenarios like toxic chemicals, confined spaces, or heavy machines. Startups and scale-ups use AMRs to automate numerous industrial processes in order to counteract this. To comprehend their immediate surroundings and navigate on their own, they use sensors, artificial intelligence, and computer vision. In order to monitor stock levels and automate material handling, warehouse AMRs, for instance, use scanners. This prevents inventory from running out. In order to speed up processes and spare workers from moving heavy carts, AMRs also transport sub-assemblies and parts over great distances inside plants. Number 10. Assistive robots. People with a range of abilities benefit more and more from the independence and quality of life that assistive robots provide. In order to sense, process, and communicate with people, they use sensors and clever algorithms. Startups enhance the cognitive decision-making capabilities of robots to assist the elderly, the handicapped, or the ill in carrying out their daily routines. They are now able to live securely and independently in their own homes. Furthermore, powered exoskeletons and other robotic assistive technologies serve as instruments for patient rehabilitation. Thanks for watching this video. Share your thoughts in the comments below. Do subscribe to our channel and we'll meet in another exciting video.